Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are reviewing Zengo Wallet, a crypto wallet that's been making waves in 2025. So if you are considering using it, stay tuned for a quick, informative breakdown of its features, security, and more. So without further delay, let's get started. Zengo is a non-custodial keyless crypto wallet that is designed to make managing your digital assets secure and easy. What sets Zengo apart is its unique biometric based security system, which replaces the traditional private keys with facial recognition and advanced encryption. If I talk about some of its features and pros, so Zengo's standout feature is its keyless security system, where you don't need to manage the complex private keys. Instead, you use facial recognition for login and transaction approvals, making it incredibly user friendly and secure. Zengo supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others, so you can manage multiple assets with a single wallet, making a versatile option for crypto users. Zengo has a robust backup and recovery process. So if you lose access to your wallet, you can restore it through a recovery phrase, ensuring you never lose your funds. Zengo also offers an integrated exchange feature, allowing users to buy, sell, and swap cryptocurrencies directly from the wallet. The process is simple, fast, and secure. All the assets and the transactions are also secured with the advanced encryption. So Zengo never stores your private keys on its servers, giving you full control over your funds with added protection against hacks. If I talk about some of its cons, so some users may have privacy concerns with the facial recognition, and it may not appeal to the experienced traders who need deeper features. So if you want to know how you can get started with it, I will create a detailed tutorial on this topic as well that will tell you how you can start using Zengo wallet for your cryptocurrencies. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell. Now, in my final thoughts, I would like to say that Zengo wallet is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a secure, easy to use wallet with innovative biometric security. With its keyless setup and multi chain support, it's perfect for both beginners and casual crypto users. However, those who are looking for more advanced features or alternatives to the biometric security might want to explore other options as well. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.